Usually when people complain about Igwo, they are usually complaining about the intention, right? Because there is a lot that is Igwo, right? But usually what you should do is each one just take something and offer to your spirit, and tell them to do something for you. But a lot of it is still like Igwo, because okay, if I go into the bush now and bring one leaf and the other leaf and this one and join it together to use and chase bad energy that is trying to kill somebody, it's Igwo, right? When some dibia ties akogodi for somebody so that negative energy does not come after a person, like it's still Igwo. I mean, there are options to that which are like Icho Aja, when you can just take an egg and offer to your spirits and tell them to take this stuff away. Now, it's going to require you to have a good relationship with your spirit for them to listen to you ASAP. Whereas Igwo can speeding things up. It can go against you even having a good relationship with your mom. You get? But it does not mean that it's bad. There are something like Arobinagu. Arobinagu has Itogu. So even when your family has Arobinagu, even when you are not entirely aligned with your mom, it can still protect. It can protect members of the family that are not aligned with their mom, right? When you have your chi and you're aligned with your chi, only if it was na chi man, only if na chi, but even when you're not aligned, Itogu, Arobinagu with Itogu, using Itogu and everything will work well. So usually the problem when people have with Igwo, and that's who are we to become judgmental, right? The problem people have with Igwo is maybe Asibazia Giniji Igbo Okeite. Imaguna Okeite na yebu many things, so ebe Okeite yebute that abnormal accumulation of and nchikota of energies to bring things for you. Nweke imam budongulia, onweke dilo discipline ibudie, onweke buoge ebu, onweke na agbagi ocho, yota. So all usually the intention people more issue with new go. There is a lot of the the line is very thin, you know what I'm saying, between it and Igwo. So what is Igwo? Igwo Ogwu mgbọrọgwụ, right? Ichikota akwụkwọ, ichikota parts, maybe isi abụọ isi bus mee nke a chịkọta ile dibia tinye okwu ọbụla omebe ife yotago a contraption. It's science. It is not science. It is not just science. It's where science meets the is it the cosmic, I mean the supernatural. Yeah, so that's what Igwo is now I'm saying. Yeah.